Alright, I got a meat freezer down right here. I said it went down Saturday. Like, no power. And for some reason the thermostat's mounted externally through the wall. So I don't know if I got power. You can check the thermostat. Got power to the thermostat on both sides, so it's calling. I got a solenoid way up there. I'm gonna have to get a ladder up there to check, see if I got power there. Let me go get a ladder. I also got a cooler down here. It's probably low on charge. Alright, I decided to go up on the roof first. I think it's one of these units over here. That would be it. 404A walk-in freezer. What the hell happened up here? He said he walked in Thursday, everything was off. It was like evaporator fans were off and nothing was going on. Why the hell is this top just laying here? Flatheads. Come on, flatheads? Really? I have nowhere to put you guys. You stay back here. I don't normally do refrigeration. One thing I noticed right away, caps are popped. Look at them. On a time clock. Let's see. Let's see, it's behind door number 1 here. Can't even open it. like all my breakers are good. Let's see if I got power. Bet you the time clock's toast. Let's see if I got power. Like I said, I don't have anywhere to put you. I got markings on here for 408. 408 up here. I think it's 404 now. Start off. I just got some control issues. It's right here. Just check one thing here. See if my high pressure switch is tripped. And it's not. What else? What other controls do I have up here? Probably leaking. Make sure that high pressure switch is closed. This thing is slimy. Let's see what else we got involved in here. I think that's what's going on. That time clock is toast. But let me do a little more investigation. Okay, like I said, I don't do too much of this. So I disconnected my one wire. I think I was backfeeding, reading backfeed through the system, but my switch is not closed, and I don't know what this is. High pressure switch? No. High vent. Let me get some gauges on it, but I already know I got to replace this time clock. I'll see if I got one on the truck. I don't think maybe I do, maybe I don't, not sure. But the time clock's wasted. Further investigation. I don't have voltage on my right terminals. I think between N and 1 and N and 2. I got no refrigeration light, so that clock is toasted. I did have one on the truck, so we're gonna get that put on right now. I got nowhere to set you. So, plus I had to switch cameras. I ran out of battery. This one's running low too. So we'll get this thing changed over. I just got to pop it off and change a few wires. Not a big deal. Okay. This old time clock, freaking toast. I don't know if it's because of the corrosion. I hope so. Because it blew the capacitors out. Got the new one in here. Had to extend this wire. Let's see if we got any smoke. You guys watch. Got light. It says refrigeration. There we go. And what do we have going on here? I gotta change this from 404. How do I change it? This new app, I don't know how to change the freaking settings. Figure out how to change the settings, but we're up and running. The sight glass is empty. Figure out how to change my app. I don't know. I can't remember. Alright, so we're coming down in the cooler or freezer, but I'm a little short on my charge. My sight glass has got some bubbles in it, so we're gonna give her a little shot. Probably give her a few 5 pounds. This thing's leaking somewhere. It's all over. Trying to run a -10 cooler, I think. Not sure. I got that one charged up, got the time clock changed. It's set for 0 degrees. But yeah, we're down to like 5. So it's been, I don't know, maybe 25 minutes sitting there watching it. Put about 5 pounds of refrigerant in it to clear up that sight glass. But other than that, you can obviously see that time clock was blown. He said Saturday they had the lights flicker, and I think that's what blew the capacitors out on the time clock, just that flicker. Just either a power surge or a brownout or something. And that's it for this one. Luckily I had the time clock on the truck. That time clock's been sitting on my truck for, like I said, don't do much refrigeration. We're talking probably time clock's been on there for 4 years. Just on the back shelf. Other than that, freezer down, fixed. Good to go. Customer's happy. Alright. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.